What if I had told you the thing you have been chasing, that promotion, that perfect body, that dream house, that raise, isn't what you are really looking for? I have spent 30 years as an adult, broke, rebuilding, making money, losing money, getting laid off, and starting over. Here's what I've finally figured out. Nothing around you will change until you do. Your life doesn't magically transform when you hit a number in the bank, get a new job, or buy a new house. But when you change, your world transforms. In this video, I'm going to give you the life, money, and mindset lessons I have learned over 3 decades. So you don't have to waste time or years figuring it out the hard way. You just need to record and post it. What are you waiting for? Number one, the wake up call. If you are over 30, you have probably felt it. Time is speeding up. 1 minute you are 18, and then the next you are looking back at an entire decade wondering what you have even did with it. Here is the truth. The most valuable thing you have isn't money. It's time. And unlike money, you can't make more of it. Stop wasting it on jobs that drain you, relationships that hurt you, and habits that robs you, because one day you will blink and another 10 years would have passed by. The question you have to ask yourself is, will I be proud of how I have spent these years, or will I be wishing I could have them back? Lesson number two, income versus outcome. Here is a hard lesson I wish I learned in my 20s. Your income is not your outcome. I know people who make six figures, but they are living paycheck to paycheck. I know people who have half of that six figures and they are financially at peace, because wealth isn't about what you make. It is about what you manage. Every dollar, every relationship, every opportunity that passes through your hands is temporal. Your job is to manage it well. And the ultimate goal, to manage it well, that you can pass something to the next generation. Wisdom, value, and yes, wealth. That's what legacy looks like. Number three, finding the purpose and true wealth. Every person watching this has a gift, a purpose. It is not always obvious. Your gift might not be flashy. It might not be what you do for work right now. But when you find it, you wake up with energy. You work differently. People notice you. And here is the secret. Your real worth is hidden within your gift. Passion is for you. Purpose is for others. The more you use your gift to serve people, the more fulfillment and abundance flows back to you. And remember, money is just a form of wealth. There's wealth in time, family, peace of mind, generosity, wisdom. Money is a tool. It is not a scoreboard. Number four, deliver more value and earn more. If you want to make more money, don't just grind harder. Deliver more value. Help 10 people, you make a living. Help 1,000 people, you thrive. Help 1,000,000, you will build wealth, an impact you never dreamed of. So think bigger. Find a way to take your gift, your purpose, and get it to more people. The bigger the impact, the bigger the returns. Number five, people and growth. This one really stings. No one is going to cheer you on. Some people you thought would be there for you wouldn't. Some may even root against you. But your growth will build your character, and it will expose the intention of people around you. Let that happen. Let them go. Growth will cost you some relationship, but the ones who meant to stay will grow with you. And the ones who are meant to go will actually leave whilst your growth establishes. Number six, obstacles and responsibilities. Everyone has struggles. Everyone has barriers. We don't always start in the same place, but we will have a race to run. Stop blaming your parents, your boss, your economy, your government. The moment you take full responsibility of your life, you get your power back. And stop comparing yourself to others. You don't know the pain behind their success. Celebrate them. There is enough success out there for everyone. Number seven, stop pretending to be someone you are not. By 30, most of us has already picked up a max or two. We become expert at being who we think we should be, professionally, socially, even personally. But pretending is exhausting. When you try to be someone you are not, you attract people or opportunity that were never meant for the real you. Want peace, want confidence, want meaningful relationship. Start being unapologetically yourself, not the curated or filtered version, the full flawed fantastic version, because you never really thrive in a life that wasn't built for you. Number 8. Keeping up with the Jones will make you broke. Comparison is a silent killer for both joy and bank account, and it is easy to fall for it. Your friend gets a new Tesla, you start wondering if your reliable Camry suddenly isn't enough. Someone posts a kitchen remodel, and now your perfect functioning kitchen feels outdated. But here is the truth. Every dollar you spend trying to look successful pulls you further from actual success. Financial freedom is not about looking rich. It's not about needing to impress anyone or feeling wealthy. Cut the comparison. Focus on your values. That's where real wealth begins. Number 9. Take your health seriously now, not later. Here's something we all put off: our health. It's easy to say, I will start working out next week, or I will eat better after this stressful project. But one day, you wake up and your body sends you a different message. It's time. Whether it's mental or physical health, you don't get a do-over. And trust me, your body won't take care of you if you don't take care of it. After 30, things don't just bounce back the way they used to. You feel the poor sleep, you see the stress, and the longer you delay taking your health seriously, the harder and more expensive it gets. The fix: it's not complicated. Move your body daily. Eat like your future depends on it. Prioritize rest and mental clarity. You can build wealth, success, and legacy, but if your health fails, everything else fades with it. Number 10. Optimize your life for meaning, not just milestones. Most of us just live by default, not design. We graduate, we get a job, we buy a house, we get promoted. Milestones after milestones. And we change the checklist until one day we realize we never stopped to ask if this is the life we actually wanted. Here's the truth. A successful life isn't built by checking boxes. It's built by choosing meaning over momentum. Ask yourself, what actually matters to me? Where do I feel most alive? Who do I want to grow old with? And how am I investing in them today? You don't need crisis to occur before you come to realization. You just need clarity and the courage to live it. This is the final lesson and then the call to action. If you take nothing else from this video, take this: love yourself. Because when you truly respect and love yourself, you stop chasing validation and start living with purpose. And when you love yourself, you love others, even when they can't love you back. If this resonates with you, hit like, subscribe, share this video with someone you care about, and tell me in the comments which lesson hit you hardest. This might be the most important few minutes that you may have spent this year. Thank you guys for watching, and watch out for the next video.